Hello my friends, today we will see yesterday we have seen that the topic of multiplication and division. Multiplication, there we give you the difference between the addition and multiplication. Addition and multiplication. How the addition is, how the multiplication is advanced to the addition. So my friends, we are doing some of the examples. Yesterday we are doing some of the examples. So here today I will show you the gimmick of the sign of the integer or the number. Gimmick of a sign of the integer or the number. Suppose I have a number A. I have a number A and I have a number B. I have a number B. When A multiplied B, I got an integer C. What is that? I got an integer C. It's no use. This one is no to you. That's why, friends, here listen. We come with the numbers. This is a 1 multiplied by 1. What is the answer? 1 into 1 is 1. Here, what is this? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. Therefore, here comes C is equal to 1. We move ahead that 21 multiplied by 1. What is your answer? A is 21, B is 1. So the C integer is 21. So here we take another example that 3 multiplied by 4. What is the answer? Both answer is 12. These are the examples I have taken. Another example, more example that 10 multiplied by 10. Your answer is 100. It means that which rule here are you using? Using that this is A. This is A into A. Same integer. That's why it becomes square of the A. It becomes square of the A. And any number multiplied by itself, it's called as a square. So here I take another example that 10 into 13. What is your answer? 130. Then 10 into 15. 15. What is the answer? 150. This you know all the things, my friend. But this is we are taken in the yesterday. Right now we are learn the gimmick of the sign of this integer. Gimmick of sign of this integer. How we learn this thing? We are learning this thing with the help of simple thing. It's a simple thing. How we learn? I will show you that with the example of logic. With the example of logic is the branch of mathematics. Logic is a branch of mathematics which gives the accurate or the true values or in permutation and combinations. How many logic things are there? There we use a logic. So listen, my friends, we are going for the logic. A integer into a B integer, I got C integer. What do I got? C integer. A into B is C. Listen, when I have when I say bulb is on, then we take it that 1. On should be 1. And when I do that, bulb is off. Listen there. Bulb is off. It means that 0. It means that 0. What it means that? 0. So here listen, when a bulb is on and another one is bulb is 0, your answer 1 into 0 is any number multiplied by 0, answer is 0. So this is a 0. Then I took another way. This is on, this is off, this is on. Your answer is 0. When I take right now, listen my friends, when I take bulb is on and fan is also on. On, then your answer is 1 into 1. Your answer is 1. When I say that bulb is off and fan is off, it means that 0 and 0, your answer is Answer. Well, this one is off. That one is also off. Your answer is 0. What is the answer? Sorry, my friend. When I say bulb is off and fan is also off, it's a true thing, na? Both are off, so it is a true thing. So it comes up plus. It comes up plus. It comes up plus. It means that both 0 0 becomes a plus. Here I am using it on and off. But listen, my friends. When you say that on, you have the positive sign. When you say your off, you have the negative sign. So positive, negative, you get a 0, negative. Then I said a negative and positive. I got the answer is negative and positive. Again, I got the answer is negative. Then the positive and the positive sign, I got the answer positive one. When both are in negative, I got the answer positive. I got the answer positive. This is a basic rule. With the help of logic, today we are learned. This is a basic rule. With the help of logic, today we are learned. My dear friends, listen. This is the thing. When you forgotten something, you just memorize on and off, on and off. Then you get a real. Then you get a real the rules of mathematics. In this way, you got the rules of mathematics. Signing rules of these are the signing rules of mathematics, of multiplication. Signing rules of multiplication. These are the things that signing rules of multiplication. So here, my friend, I am giving you this chart, and you just make a chart in your notebook, in your classwork notebook. Then afterwards, I take an example of these are the giving how the signs changes, or whether they are returning the signs or the sign will be changed. These are the giving. So that I am taking you some of the examples on this thing. Is that I am taking some of the examples on this, my friends. I am taking you some of the examples. Just a moment. Listen, my friend. I take an example, and we know that multiplication A into B gives C. So here A is equal to how much? I take example 10. B is equal to how much? I take example 2. Then what is this sign? When I not mentioning the sign, it means that positive sign. So 10 into 2. What is it? This both are positive. We know that when the both are positive, then C should be a positive. Actually C is positive only. So 10 into 2, 20. Then I take another example, 2 into minus 3. 2 into minus 3. What is the answer? First you just multiply and then you go for signing. 2 into 3 is 6. Positive plus negative, answer negative. So how this bulb is on and fan is off. Fan is off. The thing is that atmosphere is not means off. It means that minus 6. So here I take another example, minus 4 into 2. Minus 4 into 2. First you go for multiplication. 4 into 2 is 8, and minus and plus, the answer is minus. For this is a gimmick of sign. Then we move ahead that minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. What is your answer? Minus 2 into 2 is 4. Minus and minus, sign is plus. So these are the things, these are the examples we have studied. These are things we are studying today. And listen, my friends, here I want to tell you something. Something is that how this actually multiplication now, how it is utilized in our day-to-day life. So that I am taking an example. This example is only, but in our day-to-day life. Listen how I am give you the answers. Suppose I have a first example in there only. I have two person. One name is Sachin, another one name is Vinod. One name is Sachin, another means Vinod. Vinod and Sachin. This is Sachin. So two person. How many numbers? These are the number of mangoes. What is that? Number of mangoes. What is this? Is the number of mangoes. Listen, my friend. When I say this is my total number is how much? 20. Total number is 20. But how I got? Listen, Sachin having a 10 mango. Sachin having a 10 mango. Similarly, Vinod having the 10 mango. Sachin having the 10 mango. Similarly, Vinod having the 10 mango. So, how many total number of mangoes are there? 10 plus 10, 20. Plus 10, 20. So, this is 10 into 2, 20. This is the gimmick of addition and multiplication. No? So, these are some of the ways you can calculate this in this way. This is you can apply on your own on your day-to-day life. So my friend, today you are searching this example, such kind of examples, and do today's your homework. I will give you afterwards. But today we have seen the gimmick of sign and the how the general day-to-day life examples and these examples. So today's this thing. So my friend, if you don't understand, you try to call me or give me remark mark on a group ID or personal ID number. I will solve your difficulties. So goodbye friends, goodbye, good day to you. These are the things.